Hi, I'm Dan and welcome to the Airbrush Garage. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, thanks for coming back. Today I'm going to be showing you how I sprayed some mini skulls with a mini skull template set on a motorcycle tank, and then I finished it off with some Createx Candy 2.0. Now, anybody who wants to go out and start learning how to spray tanks, that's great, but don't go out and spend a fortune on a tank. Go out to your local salvage yard and ask them, tell them what you want to do. They might even give you the tank for free. If not, you'll get it really cheap. You can find some that are really good shape, bring it home, touch them up a little bit, and go practice on them. So with that, I hope you like this type of content. I hope you like this video. If you do, hit that bell so you get future notifications. Hit the subscribe button. Really appreciate any comments, good or bad. It really helps out the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to check out my affiliate links down below. And with that, let's get started. I'm starting off with the original paint job, and I noticed some blems in it, so I'm going to take some 320 grit sandpaper and sand the blems out of it and finish off with 400. After that step is done, I'm going to clean off the tanks. I'm going to primer them, I'm going to paint them, and get them back to a color that I like or close to the original color. Then I take my mini skull templates out and I paint and start layering skulls on top of each other with some white. Now you can see in this slide where when I added the black, it really took the white and almost made it non-existent. So sometimes things don't always appear as they are. So what I did was next, I started coming in with some white, and I'm going to build this up really slowly in layers. I'm just going to continue to build texture with my white. Then I'm going to come back in with the black, and I'm going to start adding some texture with the black and hitting the darkest areas. So you can see in the upper part where all the skulls are starting to turn white and black, you can start seeing some more texture. But I keep fogging over with white and building the layers, and that will build texture. You're going to want to repeat this process on all of the skulls on the tank. Once I got the skulls where I think that I'm basically getting pretty much done, and once I got the skulls where I think I'm pretty much done, I come back in with black and sharpen everything up, and that really helps everything to just pop. So now I decided I wanted a border around the skulls, so I bordered it off with my fine line tape. Then I had to add a few more skulls and bring it to the fine line tape. Once that's done, I take my masking. Now, I like to use transfer tape, but you can use regular masking tape to tape off the areas that I don't want to be affected for my next effect. Before I do the next effect, I'm going to spray a black ring on the edge of the border of the skulls. Now, I'm getting ready to make the crystallized effect, so what I do is I hit it with a little bit of base black. Then I'm going to come in with some just spray can silver. I'm going to want a real wet or nice wet coat of this. Take some plastic wrap, sprinkle it up, lay it on top, pat it down, rub it down, and then pull it off gently. And this will give you your crystallized effect. Once that's done, I'm going to come in with the green Createx Candy 2.0. And I'm going to hit it with 3 light coats. Now, at this step, I decided something was missing. I needed some stripes around my bordered areas. This is a step that should have been done previous to all of this, but when you get to this step, sometimes you got to improvise. So I had to remask everything back off so I could add my stripe. So at this stage, I took some white, I sprayed the stripes, and then I striped the stripes with some silver. And there you have it. All that's left is to add some clear. I'm going to call it done. Thanks for watching.